The French attempted to build a sea-level canal in 1990, but the endeavor failed due to poor design and high mortality from disease. After the United States helped Panama gain its independence from Colombia in 1903, the U.S. took on the project. American engineers redesigned the canal to include two sets of three locks, one set on the Pacific entrance to the canal and the other on the Atlantic side. At the time of construction, it was the largest canal lock system ever built. To reduce the amount of excavation required, an artificial lake was created by building an earth dam. At the time it was finished in 1914, it was the biggest earth dam in the world and created the largest man-made lake. The role of the dam is maintain the water level of the lake at 88.5 feet of elevation. The construction of the dam itself advanced the field of engineering at the time of construction. The first physical models ever built to test spillway design were constructed in 1910 for the canal project. The dam and the spillway have served their purpose well, but now the dam is being reinforced so that the water level in the lake can be raised. In 1999, ownership of the canal passed to the Panamanian government as planned in a treaty that was signed by President Jimmy Carter in 1977. As Panama's largest source of revenue, the canal generates $2 billion per year, more than half of which is used for schools, infrastructure, and social programs. When the Panamanians took over control of the canal, they raised the prices for transit dramatically. The government made more money in the first few years after 1999 than in all 80 previous years of operation. Today, the passage of a large cruise ship or the largest container ship Panamax could cost up to $400,000. Nevertheless, the toll is bargain compared to the more costly alternatives of either a two-week voyage around Cape Horn or offloading all containers onto a freight train to traverse the country and reloading another ship on the other side. Over the last century, technology has driven the construction of larger ships. These ships are more than 33 meters wide. The current width of the exist locks to accommodate these very large ships and to increase the capacity of the lock system. The Canal Authority has launched a major expansion project. The project includes two deepening of the Pacific and Atlantic Canal entrances, widening and deepening the Gatun Lake Navigational Channel, building new locks with water, realization basins on the Pacific and Atlantic sides, raising the Gatun Lake maximum operational level, and a new 6.1 kilometer Pacific access channel. The new locks will be 55 meters wide and 427 meters long. For one ship to pass through the three locks, 50 million gallons of fresh water are released to the sea. To put that number in perspective, all of Panama City uses 200 million gallons per day. So finding a way to conserve water in the new lock system was very important. One unique feature of these new locks is that they will be constructed with reserve basins, where 60% of the water used in each lock will be drained for use on the next ship passage. Seeing these locks under construction for the largest vessels passage through these locks will cost $1 million.